Welcome back to my channel. You missed me? No, you didn't, because I'm so consistent. Show some love. So what are we doing today? It's just a random vlog. Nothing special. Right now my nails are disgusting. Look. Nothing is disgusting in them. बस मुझे इतने बड़े नाखून पसंद नहीं है. So today we are getting our nails done. Not in the salon. It's expensive. We are doing it at home. Okay. मैं अपने नाखून टाइम टू टाइम काट लेती हूँ क्योंकि कभी कभार इन्हीं नाखून से आपको चोट लग जाती है और स्पेशली जब वो मुंह पे लगती है इट्स वेरी पेनफुल. सो आई प्रेफर स्मॉल नेल्स. हाँ, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्रेलिक नेल्स देन थोड़ा बड़ा चलता है बिकॉज एक्रेलिक इतने शार्प नहीं होते जितने ये होते हैं. आई डोंट थिंक आप एक्रेलिक नेल्स से संतरा छील सकते हो बट यू कैन विद दीज. आफ्टर गेटिंग माई नेल्स डन we will go घूमी and eat something fun because आज मेरा lunch बाहर है so I can eat whatever I want to. इतने छोटे छोटे नाखून पे अगर nail polish लगाते तो बहुत cuties लगते हैं. And this is the only color. This purple सा है lilac.
Is there any shade? Okay, this is in the shade 310, so you can buy it on Nykaa.
मैंने एक ही कोट करा है ताकि जल्दी सूख जाए. डबल कोट करते तो बहुत परेशान करता है. इट्स वेरी इरिटेटिंग और आज इरिटेट होने का बिल्कुल मूड नहीं है मेरा. मुझे लगता है हमें निकलना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो टू मैकडोनल्ड्स. बहुत दिनों से मैकडोनल्ड्स का कुछ भी नहीं खाया सो मैंने सोचा कि व्हाई नॉट. इट लुक्स लाइक एवरीथिंग इज बैक टू नॉर्मल. बहुत भीड़ है, बहुत भीड़ है. अच्छा लगता था यार जैसे खाली खाली रोड रहता था. I wanted to talk about zodiac signs because lately I've been following this page called horoscope something. I don't remember. Like everything they told in the reel, it all matched my personality. So yeah, I'll just grab a meal and then we will rock about zodiac signs. Yes, I'm pretending that I'm on phone because public देख रहा है. I don't like Coca-Cola या Pepsi, but I like Coca-Cola या Pepsi जो भी है of McDonald's only. I heard from someone that ये लोग पानी मिलाते हैं and if it makes it better then I'm fine. Okay, so let's do McDonald's haul. Okay, and they forgot to put a McPuff. I'm so pissed right now. Why would they? I'm going back. Got it. Now finally एक बढ़िया सा spot मिल चुका है मुझे जहाँ पे हम लोग रुक के खा सकते हैं. So let's go and chill. Every car ride with me includes my playlist. Not shy of a spark, a knife twists. But I crumble completely when you cry. It seems like once again you had to greet me with goodbye. Okay, let's do a McDonald's haul first. I got this. Packaging, fries, my American Supreme Cheese Chicken Burger. Then I have, I'll show you a very good combination afterwards. It's bomb. Okay, so about the zodiac sign. Lately I've been binge watching reels. उसमें ऐसी चीज़ आती like what will be your future. मतलब real वाला नहीं, ऐसा कि you will be married, you will be traveling, you will be doing this, you will be a lawyer maybe, ऐसा करके कुछ ऐसा zodiac signs के हिसाब से होता है. And I found it so interesting that मैं 1 घंटे तक उसको scroll ही करती रहती हूँ. मज़ा आ जाता है. So their username is horoscope types. I guess this is a very chaotic place. Maybe हमको कहीं और जाना चाहिए. God.
I've been dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love, get a kiss on your cheeks. But like when that words come out your mouth. Well, you're like the fire, like the so call me up tonight if you need somewhere to get out of the light. So come with me, we'll go down the line. I'm wasting my time, you're away, every second with her, you're taking what she gives.
Okay, we're finally here. Okay, so we'll be watching reels and judge if it's true about me or not. My zodiac sign is Capricorn. I'll put it over here.
This is my sons, but who's the daddy?
I graduate with honors.
So I'm not lucky because my best friend is Pisces and बाकियों के zodiac sign मैं जानती ही नहीं हूँ. Not even my family. So
my song. Well, good for you. No thanks. No thank you. Oh, call me by your name. Cause as soon
this one. This one is true.
I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground.
If this one meant that कोई भी problem आती है तो मतलब उसका solution निकाल के से निकल जाने का, हाँ तो मैं जुगाड़ू हुई. So yeah, I can be that animal.
Turn it off.
I turn my pain into power. I don't know. I guess I do. No, I don't know. I do. I think pain into power. I guess I do. You know what? I'm not sure about this. All the boys out there with H are probably like,
oh my god, I can be the one.
No, you cannot. Okay, I come under worst zodiac females to rate. That too first. So like boys with H. I don't know. Like other people know. मैं खुद की बुराई क्यों करूँगी? Self love. Crunchy.
Daddy.
I graduate with honors.
Yes, I am ill.
I mean, I won't say that I'm not a good liar. I'm great at it. And about the mastermind thing,
Been left out, lied
You talked about and used, stared down and laughed at while walking out of school. You wanna put the blame on me, the feeling's nothing new. You wanna hang more pain on
on me.
no, I've never been left out. Touch wood. Oh god, there's no wood. I need wood. I need wood. Okay, we are going out. It's raining, but we are going out. We need to touch the wood. It's important. People touch their hair saying touch wood and it does not make any sense. It just, oh my god, we are going outside. I'm keeping my phone here. Okay, 1, 2, fucking 3. Go, 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 go. Wood. Wood, 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 wood. Oh, ah! The wood was not that far. Lied to, yeah, many a times. मतलब इस दुनिया में ऐसा कोई इंसान ही नहीं है जिसके साथ झूठ ना कहा गया हो. And अगर ऐसा नहीं है, then find a wood ASAP and touch wood it. Okay, used, no. Stared at. I mean, I'm a YouTuber. What else do you expect, man? Laughed at, surely. I'm a cartoon. Like, you are laughing at me right now. Bullied? Never. Thank God. I've been never bullied. You know what? I should again go touch wood because not being bullied is a blessing, to be honest. We are touching the wood, guys. We are touching the wood again. Oh man, I hope no one's watching me. It was so cartoonish thing. मतलब कोई देख रहा है कि ये लड़की क्या कर रही है, बार बार पे यहाँ पे जमीन छू के जा रही है. But उनको नहीं पता that I'm doing this because I'm a blessed person. Okay. Blamed, yeah, a lot of times. अगर आपके पास कोई sibling है तो obviously you will get blamed for something. So all of the above नहीं है. I did 2 touch woods. So yeah. Okay, now enough of the zodiac shit. Also, yeah, I told you that I have a very awesome combination. Okay, so क्या करना है? Take a French fries. Then इसमें ऐसे लेके. Okay, bye.